In a victory for the rule of law, a federal judge recently upheld the right of ICE to conduct operations at schools. This decision, a clear rebuke to sanctuary city policies, is a crucial step in restoring order to our immigration system. For too long, activists have shielded illegal immigrants from the consequences of their actions. This ruling sends a powerful message: America is a nation of laws, and those laws will be enforced. The case stemmed from a lawsuit filed by Denver public schools, attempting to block ICE from enforcing federal immigration law. Denver, like many cities, has declared itself a sanctuary city, obstructing federal immigration enforcement. These cities mistakenly prioritize the comfort of lawbreakers over the safety and well-being of their citizens. This ruling, however, reaffirms the supremacy of federal law over these misguided local policies. The judge's decision is a breath of fresh air for those concerned about the erosion of our nation's sovereignty. It is a powerful reminder that the duty of the government is to uphold the law, not to obstruct it. This decision marks a turning point in the fight against illegal immigration and offers hope for a future where our laws are respected and enforced. Denver Public Schools claimed that allowing ICE operations at schools would disrupt the learning environment and instill fear in students. They argued that even the possibility of ICE presence would lead to decreased attendance and academic performance. These arguments, however, are fundamentally flawed and lack any substantive evidence. Firstly, the suggestion that enforcing immigration law somehow harms children is absurd. The true harm to these children comes from living in the shadows, denied the full benefits of legal citizenship. Moreover, the presence of illegal immigrants in our schools strains resources and creates an unfair burden on taxpayers. Denver's attempt to prioritize the needs of lawbreakers over the well-being of their tax-paying citizens is a gross dereliction of duty. The claim that ICE operations create a climate of fear is equally baseless. ICE agents are law enforcement professionals tasked with a difficult job. Their presence at schools is not intended to terrorize children but to apprehend individuals who have violated our laws. To suggest otherwise is to demonize law enforcement and undermine the rule of law. The judge's ruling underscores the vital role of ICE in protecting our nation. ICE agents are on the front lines of our immigration enforcement system, working tirelessly to apprehend criminals and remove those who have no right to be in our country. Their work is essential to maintaining the integrity of our borders and ensuring the safety of our communities. The number of illegal immigrants in the United States has skyrocketed in recent years. This surge has overwhelmed our border security, strained social services, and contributed to a rise in crime. The Biden administration's open border policies have exacerbated this crisis, making it clear that we cannot rely on the federal government to solve this problem. ICE operations, even in sensitive locations like schools, are a necessary tool in the fight against illegal immigration. The agency's efforts to enforce deportation orders are critical to deterring future illegal immigration and upholding the rule of law. By allowing ICE to operate effectively, we are sending a clear message: America will not tolerate those who disregard our laws. The federal judge's decision to uphold the right of ICE to conduct operations at schools is a victory for the rule of law and for the safety of our communities. This ruling sends a clear message that our nation's immigration laws will be enforced, regardless of misguided sanctuary city policies. By upholding the law, we are protecting our citizens, preserving our resources, and safeguarding our national sovereignty. We are ensuring that America remains a nation of laws, where those who follow the rules are rewarded and those who break them are held accountable. This decision is a step in the right direction, and we must continue to support strong immigration enforcement measures to protect our nation and our way of life.